Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to optimize your title for search engine success. Your title is the gateway to your content, and with the right approach, you can boost your online visibility. So, let's dive right into it. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let us talk about why title optimization matters. Your title is often the first thing your audience sees, and it plays a vital role in their decision to click on your content. It is not just about getting noticed, it is about capturing your audience interest from get to go. To get started, let us clarify what title tags are. These are the short, unique titles that appear in search engine results. They should include your focus keyword. When someone searches for content related to your field, your title tag is the first thing they see. It is your chance to make a strong impression. To illustrate, let us look at a real example. I have opened a blog titled Building an Impressive Test Engineer Resume, Selenium Resume. This title is clear and informative. It gives potential readers a solid idea of what they can expect. That is the kind of impact you want to create with your title. Now, let us walk through the steps of optimizing your title. Watch the length. Search engines typically display only the first 50 to 60 characters of title. Keep it concise to ensure it is fully visible. Use unique titles. Never copy or plagiarize titles. Customization is key for SEO. Make your title stand out. Prioritize keywords. Recent research suggests that placing keywords at the beginning of the title can positively affect your ranking. So, use your keywords wisely. Avoid keyword stuffing. While keywords are essential, don't overdo it. If your content is lengthy, strategically place and prioritize your keywords. Consider branding. If you have a well-known brand, think about adding it to the end of your title. This not only boosts your brand, but also builds trust with your audience. Let us put these principles into practice. When you search for digital marketing, you will find various results with different titles. Digital marketing is the common keyword, but each title offers something unique. That is how you should craft your titles, make them unique and captivating. In conclusion, title optimization is a fundamental aspect of SEO. Craft your titles thoughtfully, keeping length, uniqueness, keyword placement, and branding in mind. By doing so, you will not only attract more traffic to your website, but also build your brand's identity. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to use essential SEO tools for website optimization. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.